Welcome to UnoQByte Season 5 powered by Resonance Energy. With us, we have Mr. J P Misra, CGM Iocl. And the Uno question to you, sir, is related to LNG by road.
Yeah.
You've been a crusader of this particular concept for over a decade.
Yeah.
However, since last few years, 2 to 3 years, we are seeing a sudden surge in this particular market. The question to you is, what is the reason behind this? Why this particular surge is now coming in Indian market?
Like the Indian Oil started this concept in way back in 2006. So approximately 19-20 years has already passed. And initially there was no rules, regulation that related to the LNG transportation by road was not available. And many standards were not available.
Okay.
So Indian Oil has spent more than 10 years on making all these things along with the PESO, OISD, PNGRB, all these organizations. So currently every standard, regulation, everything is in place. And over and above, because after this 9th and 10th round of the CGD bidding by PNGRB, what happens more or much CGD companies have been allocated to areas where the pipeline is not available.
Yes.
So this is the obvious choice for a city gas distribution company to monetize their GA and various charge areas where the pipeline is not available. So one reason is the CGD adoption of this LNG. They have adopted this LNG by road concept, and approximately you can say approximately 50 such satellite stations are there, those who are catering the city gas distribution. And currently approximately you can say around 100 LNG tankers are getting filled per day in India, from Dahej, from Ennore mainly, and then the Dhamra also, and the Kochi also, and all these terminals. Even the Shell Hajira is also there. So total is that, and I'm telling you, currently at Dahej, even the loading capacity is a constant. Now they are increasing the loading bays also. Similarly at Ennore also we are increasing.
Yes.
So the lot of impetus is there. And over and above, now the main impetus will be from the LNG as transport fuel. So, like in China, in LNG trucking, so in China, approximately you can say around 17 to 18 million ton of LNG is consumed in the auto sector. Whereas here it is very limited. But now more and more stations are coming.
The policies are coming
approximately 30 stations are commissioned, and approximately 42 stations are under various stages of commissioning. So you will see if the more and more CGD companies will set up these stations, so the things will go up. At the same time, industries are also adopting some of the regulations, some of the grey areas were there. Now they have this PNGRB has also tweaked some of the regulations, which is now supporting this thing. Earlier there was a lot of misconception regarding this LNG that only CGD company can do or others can.
Now it is clear.
Now it is clear. So now because a lot of government support is there, Ministry of Petroleum support is there. So that is why it is growing.
So, we believe that LNG trucking and LNG by road transportation will be coming in a big way in future.
In a big way, I think every CGD company should adopt this. Every CGD company should adopt. Currently, what they think, the CNG is my mandate. No, LNG they should do. Otherwise, many small
private
entrepreneurs are setting up the station, and I'm telling you.
And then in their own geographical areas.
Actually, geographic area is their network.
Yes.
Not the city. So anybody can set up a station. So people are setting up the station, and I'm telling you, they are like BLNG. Recently, I was talking to them, approximately 30 metric ton with 4 stations, with the maximum investment of 20 crore, around 30 tons they are selling.
They are selling.
And at a good handsome
and
margin.
In fact, city gas distribution companies have an edge over the other people because they have their geographical area exclusivity for CNG.
So they can have the CNG also from the same station, LNG also, and they can monetize the whatever the BOG is automatically monetized. Whereas in the standalone station, this is the issue.
Monetizing of BOG.
But now government is coming up with the mandate that CGD company has to take this BOG. Because you cannot vent the BOG. Na?
Of course.
Ultimately, it is for all for environment.
Yes.
I think this is the reason.
Thank you very much. It was a very informative, talk you have done.
Yeah,
thank you. I am sure the industry will be getting benefit.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's a pleasure, sir.
Okay, thank you.